Alright, this me, City Music. Okay, then what's going on? So I'm a beat maker, engineer, producer, organizer, whatever you want to call it. I do music. And I'm finna have to start all the way over, you feel me? And you know, shit, I've been here at Mom Deuce crib. You feel me? I'm finna get my life together and start over and go back up. Starting from right here on mama couch. Y'all folks stay out for real. They want to sleep in it. You feel me? They what I've been sleeping it. They my little setup. Yeah. So I'm finna make the beats. I'm finna mix the songs. I'm gonna show you how it sound from right here. Yeah.